button and any drawing that comes to us to execute it on the lathe. Forget about the programming completely. I'll give you the first lesson on how to read a drawing. Here's the raw material, okay? It's 60 long, and of course the raw material comes with a large diameter of 32. The diameter might be larger, meaning it comes as an unshaped piece. So I'll start shaping it. He's put dimensions. Okay. And I'll start reading to write them in the machine's program and start executing it. So I come here first. This is the 0. The 0 point, which is where I'm working. I'm holding my drawing. Okay. And this mark, I see it as my 0 mark for the Z and X axes. I see what this drawing wants. First thing, the diameter here is 10. Diameter, meaning the phi symbol, this means diameter. The diameter here is 10, and before he says 45 by 0.5.5, meaning he wants a 45 degree chamfer at 0.5 millimeters. So I'll come here at the 0.5 millimeters of the diameter. Diameter 10. Okay. So I've read the shape of the first diameter. I'll go next. We'll also learn how this curve comes. I'll look and find that the diameter is 10. Its length is 10. After that, he gives me a length of 15 at a diameter of 20. The diameter is here. After that, a length of 30. A length of 30, which is the part from here to here, at a diameter of 30. Okay? After that, a length of 43. At a diameter of 32. Okay? And 60 is the total length of the raw material.